So just for a frame of reference, you just told me that you go to the gym 7 days a week if you can, and you spend 2 to 3 hours a day there.
Correct.
And how old are you?
Oh, my real age is 90, but birth certificate's in 87.
Okay, but you're 90. We won't tell anyone. And you go to the gym 7 days a week, and that's great. I hope when I'm 90, I can go to the gym and do what you do, 2 to 3 hours a day.
Well, you are still young, so don't think about retirement.
Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to retire ever. What kind of work did you do? What type of work did you do?
Internal medicine, rheumatology.
Oh, okay, so you're a physician
I have
then.
a PhD in immunology, so
Well, why didn't you tell me that when we started so I could have...
I spent all that time in the school that I didn't have time to practice.
Wow. No, but then I didn't have to explain why I'm checking your pulses and asking you questions. Where did you practice?
Right here in Plymouth.
Oh, really? Okay.
I started out in Glenwood Hills
Okay.
until they closed the hospital
Yeah.
down.
Yeah.
And I had a research lab there.
Okay. What type of research? Immunology?
More immunology.
Okay. What was your area? What were you looking at specifically?
Cancer immunology.
Okay.
And the even something like President Reagan,
Well, there was Reagan, then there was Bush, then there was Clinton.
Carter.
Oh, Carter and...
Brain from, and they started immunology,
Mm-hmm.
immunotherapy. Once about
In the
they
70s.
use my extract, cancer-specific antigen.
Okay. So you're somebody very famous in the world of immunology. You're like the Stephen Hawking of immunology?
Well, 1972, President Nixon declared war against cancer, and they spent $100 billion in 20 years. They didn't come up with anything. Now back to immunology,
Right.
and I was 50 years ahead all the time.
And nobody would listen?
No,
Oh,
too late.
wow. But you created the groundwork for everybody who's doing the work
I
now.
hope so.
Wow. Well, I'm honored to meet you.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
So you lived in Florida for quite a while and then just came back here recently?
Well, I sold my condo 2 years ago, so I don't go anymore.
Okay.
It's getting to be difficult with old age.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, your nails look great, and I would be happy to do this for you every couple of months.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I didn't miss any sore spots or corns or calluses, did I?
I'm sorry.
There's no corns or calluses that I'm not seeing or anything, is there?
Underneath the plantar area, can you see any?
No. Everything looks really good.
Oh.
Hey folks, this video serves as a great reminder that it's important to have beautiful and elegant nails and to take care of your nails. So treat yourself to a 7-piece manicure set like this. This beautiful kit comes with 2 nail clippers, trimmers, multi-purpose scissors, an ear pick, cuticle trimmers, eyebrow tweezers, and an acne needle. There's an Amazon link below to the kit that's highly recommended by this YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out and treat yourself to beautiful nails today.
I am here to tell you about Meta 7. Meta 7 combines 7 vital nutrients that boost your metabolism. These essential nutrients boost your energy level and may even help you lose weight. The goal of Meta 7 is to help you activate your life. So if you are feeling a bit sluggish and want your energy back, try Meta 7 today.